Dublin today. It is Devon's last day in Ireland. He flies back tomorrow morning really early, and so we drove down with Erin this morning. We're in our Airbnb and we are already late for the Guinness factory, so we're just really quickly getting ready and we're going to run over so that Devon can see the Guinness factory for the first time. Are you excited to have some Guinness?
Yes.
I'm going to bring my Tato with me so I can have Tato with my Guinness. Are you excited to see like how it's made? No, no, he's not. Okay, great. And here's a very random fact. The Irish girl from Home Alone 2, the pigeon lady, she lives in the building that we are staying in right now. So we have just gotten in from the Guinness factory. Erin and Devon are trying to find somewhere for us to go out for dinner, and then we are planning to go to Temple Bar so that we can have a wee pint. What do we think of the Guinness factory?
I had the best time, love.
Yeah, was it not the nicest pint you've ever had?
It sure was.
And Erin's a wee weirdo, doesn't like Guinness. We bought some stuff when we were at the Guinness factory, and so I thought I would show you what we got. Start off, me and Devon got these coasters. It was 3 for €5, so we just got the 3 of them for our wee house in Canada. Devon got this hat, which is very cute. You should try it on, Devon.
Ooh, nice.
Devon bought this in the pawn shop. Yeah. They don't have Galaxy over there. So he bought himself a massive bar Galaxy. Then me and Erin both got these glasses. Very unnecessary, and we definitely do not have room for this, but I needed it. Then I got this hoodie, which again, unnecessary, but I wanted it. Just the standard black Guinness hoodie that literally everybody has, but I didn't.
My Guinness chicken.
Wee tote bag.
Buy one everywhere I go, €2. Do the hat thing. With the like cheese and the golf balls. Then I just got that. That was €1.
So this is the funniest thing, right? Erin drinks alcohol. Erin does not like Guinness. Erin bought a non-alcoholic Guinness because it was €1.
That's like,
but what are you going to do with it?
I got my chocolate. Again, I got the
matchy.
The last thing, a wee compact mirror with like the Guinness and there was a sticker on it on the back, and a woman needs a man, like a fish that needs a bicycle, and those are words to love by.
True that. So we finally found somewhere to go eat. Devin found it, so it better be nice or he's gonna pay.